All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Dyno Day. That's all? What are you doing?
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, what happened, Travis? What's going on?
Okay, power band, absolute garbage. It's coming on at like, what, 4,000? I start getting
let's go look at this.
Yeah, okay. Look at the graph really quick.
Alright, so here's our problem.
Okay, so we have power coming on right at about, like, I start getting boost at like 35.98. That's where boost starts making, and my peak boost isn't till like,
Yeah, the
5.2?
green line is boost, and we're peaking around like 20 psi, and you see it starts building kind of like here around like 3,500,
yeah.
and then doesn't build full boost until like 5,000, which is insane.
Yeah. And
then it holds there and tapers off a bit, but that's...
So we don't know why, so we're gonna have to take it off dyno, and we'll have to come back once we figure out our boosting problem. Probably do the new actuator like you did.
Yeah, actuator, you know, check the tension on it.
Check the preload and all that.
Yeah, see
also
if that
check
helps.
for boost leaks just to be safe.
And if there's nothing, then it's definitely the exhaust housing size, because he's with the larger one because he wanted more peak power, but it looks like we're really maxing it out as far as we can do with this turbo.
So we made what do we make? 312?
What do we? It doesn't say here. Yeah,
No, I said 312 corrected.
312 corrected.
So a little disappointing from my 400 goal for sure. But
hey, you're less than 100 horsepower away.
yeah, so I don't know what to do next, but we'll figure something out. Just means we have more content. Kind of blows though. A little upset about that. I definitely wanted more. And he also said that the car like is running on, like at cruising and stuff, it's running very like crappy basically. So I don't know. We got a lot of work ahead of ourselves.
Top feed injectors.
Yeah, top feed injectors.
New wastegate.
New wastegate.
Possibly exhaust housing.
Possibly exhaust housing.
And an exhaust, dude.
That's probably ideal.
That shit was unreal.
Yeah. So, yeah. Needless to say, I'm a little choked. But we're gonna drive the car and see how it feels.
I think you'll still be blown away with how fast
Also,
it is
like,
now.
enjoy it, but...
Technically, if you think about it, you made 100 more horsepower than what you were driving it at before.
Yeah,
So.
yeah.
Also, your power delivery is going to be so much smoother.
It's gonna be... I don't even know if it's gonna be
Like,
smooth.
actually drivable at this point.
I don't know. It looks like he's thinking about something right now, so we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so they pulled my wastegate line off. Now they're testing it. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh. Okay, good.
Damn lag.
Alright, well, not good. Is that good? Is that a good thing? Huh? Is it good that it didn't change anything, or?
Well, it means that it's not a control problem, right?
Also, you get to drive home.
You got my heart racing now. Alright, you guys, so we are done at Racing Grid now. I just drove the car for the first time. Needless to say, little disappointed. I was hoping for more power. Obviously, I said that my goal was 400 today. Damien said that as well. Damien got a lot closer than I did. We're sitting at about 315 horsepower and about 280, I believe, torque. I can check in a bit, but yeah, a little disappointing, but it just means that we have more stuff to do. So we have a lag issue because of the turbo, so I'm gonna try switching wastegate actuators, see if that helps. Can't guarantee anything. And then we're also gonna upgrade the injectors a little bit. We're gonna go to top feeds because they were basically saying that it's hard to get it tuned right because they're with side feed, it's like old technology, as the tuner put it, Tommy. And he said basically said that there's a big variable within like how much, I don't know how to explain it, like how much flow they actually have compared to what the sheets and stuff say. So he said top feed is way better, so I'm gonna probably upgrade to top feed and probably go to a little bit bigger injector, possibly 85 compatible. He figures I could get another 150-ish out of the motor with some bigger injectors, but it's hard to say. We don't know for sure. So yeah, Britt is gonna record a couple pulls for me, and then we're gonna go meet up with the rest of the guys. We had to drop off Britt's rental car. We finally settled on the Mini, so Britt will be getting a new car soon, which means we will have lots of content on that. Alright, you guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Like I said, little disappointed, but honestly, after driving the car, it's fast. I can't complain there. Can only go up from here, so it's a very, very good spot to be at. I'm actually really happy with it. I was a little disappointed, like, you know, kind of just wanted the bragging rights to be like, oh yeah, car's got 400 horsepower, but hey, 315, it's pretty good, especially out of a SR20. So it's really fast. So we're gonna have a couple issues to sort out in the upcoming videos. So we have to figure out if my actuator is working properly. Probably just gonna order a tile one. Damien ordered one and he said it fixed his lag immensely, so I'm having a big lag issue. And then somewhere down the line, I will probably upgrade to 1000 or 1200 cc injectors with a top feed, because the tuner said that it would give me a lot more balanced feel. So yeah, well, I don't know. We'll go from there. So anyways, guys, that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.